Here are the top 5 ways to get deported in 2025. Visa holders, listen up. I'm your immigration attorney, Sekou Clarke. 1. The visa overstayer who has a criminal infraction. So again, this has been coming up over every administration. However, it has been implemented even more with some of the new laws that have been implemented in 2025 or under the Trump administration, such as the Lake and Riley Act, where almost any type of infraction to someone who does not have legal status will be put into ICE custody. So what has been happening is if you have overstayed your visa, meaning you entered legally, but then you have lost status and you haven't done anything to change your status, and you now have a criminal infraction that makes you inadmissible, and you do not have a relief from deportation. Gone are the days where you would be released. No, you are being held in custody and deported. Please be aware. 2, if you entered the United States across the border, either through humanitarian parole or under the Biden administration, or you just entered uninspected or illegally within the last 2 years, you are being targeted. And even if you submit some type of asylum or some type of relief that does not meet the standard that the court is looking for, you are now placed into fast-track deportation. Number 3, and again, we are doing the list of the top 5 ways that you can get deported in 2025. And this is an age-old one. It is serious criminal convictions, right? So you can even have a legal status, like you can be a green card holder. And if you are deemed to have committed any type of crime that is an aggravated felony, or if you've had multiple misdemeanors, and now even more recently, DUIs, and you have been found to not have good moral character. I know this is a standard that they use for citizenship, but within the terms of immigration court, these are things that they assess. You will get deported. Violating your status. So this is a broad one. So violating your status in 2025, the example that I will use is student visa. So if you are here on a student visa and you have been found to be posting anything anti-Semitic, anything that does not align with US values, they are canceling these visas and deporting these students. You can be on your tourist visa and you have been found that you are working, or you've been found to doing things that does not align with the realms and the boundaries of your tourist visa. That is a way that you will get deported in 2025. Number 4, marriage fraud. Yes, this is a huge one. And I mean, it's age old, but because of the scrutiny and the enforcement in 2025, people are getting their cases denied and getting deported at even a higher rate because of marriage fraud. What is marriage fraud? Marriage fraud is when you as an immigrant, you are in the United States and you enter into a marriage for the sole purpose of circumventing immigration laws. And it's interesting because some people say that that can be subjective, right? Because you can be in a legitimate marriage, but you do not have the appropriate evidence to provide to USCIS that meets the standard or meets the burden that you need to have to prove that you are in a bona fide marriage. But there are certain things that they look for, like if your US citizen spouse withdraws the petition and then tells immigration that this was a fraudulent marriage, guess what? You're getting put into removal proceedings. 2, if you found that you actually exchanged money or you paid for this marriage, then yes, you are getting hit with marriage fraud. So again, people, a lot of times this can be avoided because it is so subjective, right? It is so subjective because you can be in a legitimate marriage and you can be genuinely in love, but you do not have the appropriate evidence. So this is definitely something that you have to look out for. And last but not least, if you had a previous deportation order, right? So if you already went through the immigration court process, right, the removal proceedings, and you got a removal order and you did not leave the country, and you're still here, and you either have another interaction with ICE or somehow get on their radar and they come to your house, you will be fast-tracked and deported. And again, people will say that this has been in existence forever. But guess what? The enforcement, right, and the tools that Border Patrol, ICE, and USCIS, the tools that they have now, they're utilizing it significantly more to find you, right, and remove you from the country has significantly increased when compared to other administrations. So these are the top 5 ways that people can get deported and are getting deported in 2025. I'm your immigration attorney, Sekou Clarke. If this was helpful, like, share, and subscribe.